everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will be exploring fundamentals of system management in identity and access management. We will be covering crucial security concepts including user privileges management, password policies, file system permissions, and firewall configuration. These skills are essential for everyone working in system administration or cybersecurity. We need to protect Linux environment. I will be showing you how to implement these security measures step by step on different Linux distributions, focusing on real-world scenario and best practices. Our video will have 5 main parts. Firstly, we will talk about user management and privileges. Secondly, we will talk about password security. After that, we will talk about file system security, and then we will talk about SELinux and advanced security, and at the end we will talk about firewall configurations. Okay, let us start with the first part of our video. Like I said before, we will use some tools like AlmaLinux environment and Ubuntu server to perform this video. So make sure that AlmaLinux and Ubuntu server are already installed in your computer. And then you can open our virtual machine, AlmaLinux. Now our virtual machine is already open. We go and open the terminal. Okay, to do this part, user management and privileges, we are supposed to create different users and assign a different level of permission. So for this video, you need to create 3 users. I want to call these different users Lionel, Kathleen, and Maggie. So you can create. I want to create only Lionel, and after we do the same thing. We will do the same thing to create the other users. So to create Lionel, I type sudo user add the username Lionel. Okay, after that I enter my password. Okay, the user is already created. After that I want to give one password to Lionel, so I type the command sudo pass wd. After I type the username Lionel. Okay, I type a new password that I want to assign to Lionel, this one. Okay, after that you say the password is shorter than 8 characters, but it's not working now. I want to type a same password again, so I type okay. We have already created the user Lionel and assigned to him a password. I wonder if we use the same process, the same command, sudo user add. After you type a username, and to assign the password you type sudo pass wd to assign the password for this user. After that you can see how to assign to these different users a different level of permission. To do it, you can open the sudo config. So you type sudo v sudo and enter. After that you ask my password. I enter my password, and here is the sudo config file. So we can looking for storage. Here is it. After that you remove the star, the comment symbol. After that you save your file. You go down and you type this 3 command line for the 3 users that you have already created. Here Lionel has a sudo or the sudo privilege. You can run any command and any system as any users, and Kathleen run this particular command, and same thing for Maggie. After that you save we save. Okay, and now we connect with the different user and check if the different privilege that they have. So we start by Lionel. We tap sudo, we tap so minus Lionel like this. After that, I enter the Lionel password. Okay, you are connected with Lionel account, and now we tap sudo to have his to check if he has a sudo privilege. Sudo Lionel has the sudo privileges. After that, we type sudo system ctl sshd like this. I forget to choose like this. This command is to see the status. Enter Lionel password. Okay, Lionel have this sudo privileges. You can also type sudo f this minus L Lionel password. Okay, Lionel have all the sudo privileges. Lionel is like administrator. After we exist, okay, I will connect with Maggie account. So we tap so Maggie. The Maggie password like this. Okay, now we are connected with Maggie account. Now we type a sudo to see if he has all the privilege. Yes, Maggie has this privilege. After that, we type a sudo system ctl status minus like this. Okay, Maggie password. Sorry. Maggie password like this. No, sorry, user Maggie is not allowed to execute this command. So Maggie, the privileges of Maggie are limited, so we can exist. Okay, now we are logged out for Maggie account. In conclusion, Lionel has all the privileges while Maggie not. Everything depends of the command that you are enter in the sudo's file. We already see how to create user and assign to him different levels of permission. Now we want to see how to manage sudo times out setting. By default, Linux remember your password during 5 minutes. Let us check how it works. So I tap sudo f disk minus L. Sorry, minus L. After I enter my password, okay, the command is run. I want to type this command again. Sudo this one system control status. This command is running, but my password will. It don't ask my password to run. I want to type another command again. Sudo iptables minus L. It won't be done. Ask me my password. If you want to, it's like this during 5 minutes. If you want to reinitialize, to forcing the user to enter the password before to execute the sudo command, you type sudo sorry, you type sudo minus k to initialize it. If I enter a sudo command again, it asks me my password before to run. Okay, now let us edit a sudo config. So we type sudo v sudo and we enter. After that, we find the default time stack and we initialize it at 0. Where is it? Here is it. And we initialize it at 0. So after that, you save. Okay, sorry, I supposed to type here before to save. Okay, after that we try to enter the sudo command. You will see when you want to enter the sudo command, it asks you the password every time because you are initialized the sudo file, the timestamp at 0. So I want to enter this sudo command again and it asks me my password. Okay. Now let us edit the sudo config again and we initialize only the password of Lionel and the default timestamp was Lionel at 0. So we open the sudo v sudo again. After I enter my password and I looking for the timestamp. Okay, I want only to put for Lionel account. So I type Lionel here. After that I save. Okay. After that I look with Lionel account. Okay, I enter as the password of Lionel. Okay, now we are already logged with Lionel account. Now I want to enter one sudo command, so I enter sudo fdisk -l. You add the password of Lionel. I put the password of Lionel account. After that is okay. The disks are already this. I want to type another sudo command again. Sudo system ctl stitchers sshd. I enter. He has the Lionel password. Okay, we are initialize the timestamp of Lionel at 0. So when Lionel want to execute one sudo command, he asks the password every time. We already managed sudo times out setting. Now you want to say setting account and password sp. To do that, we need to create one user. I want to call this user Samsung with the expire date of June 30, 2025. So I type sudo. I type this command. No, I want to look out for Lionel account first. Okay, now I am connected with my account. I type sudo user add and after that I put the expiration date of after that the 30 and I add the user's name, Samsung. Okay, and it asks my password. This is because we have initialized our timestamp at 0. I enter my password. It said the user is already exists, so I forget how easy create this user. So you type this command to create your user. I am calling my user Samsung. After that, you type this command sudo change -l Samsung to verify. Okay, this command is to verify the expiration date. You see, is this July 31, 2025. After that, you can use this command sudo user mode -e 2025 June 31. Okay, I type a username Samsung. This command is if you want to change the expiration date. Now we allow with Samsung account with a different password. All this action, this command is to increase security for different users. Now I want to exit to connect. I want to connect with my personal account. Okay. We just finished with the first part of our video. It was about user management and privileges. You will see how to create user and assign them password and different levels of permission. Now we enter to the second part of our video. It's about password security. In this part, we talk about setting password complexity requirement. After that, we will talk about detecting compromised password, and at the end we talk about configuring login attempt limit with palm tailing tool. For this part, we need Ubuntu server, so let us open our virtual machine. Our virtual machine is already open, so let us open the terminal. To do this part, to manage password complexity, we need to install some package like Ligpalm PW quality. So we enter sudo ipt update is running. Let us wait. Okay, after that we enter sudo apt install Ligpalm PW quality. Okay, this package gives us it gives us control to the password requirement like minimum length and maximum length, character, class, and much more. Now let us configure the password setting. We will open the configuration with nano, so we enter sudo nano etc security PW quality .conf. Okay, we open our file. Okay, it's already open. As you see, this file contains various parameters of password complexity, but has the comment symbol or hash symbol before. For the first part, we're looking for min length and remove the comment symbol and initialize to 19. This means that all the password will have at least 19 characters. So let us save. Okay, this means that the password must be at least 19 characters long. So to test it, let us create one user icon. He got it. So we type sudo user at gold Ubuntu. We forget M. Okay. Now let us try different passwords for Goldie. So we type sudo pass wd after the username Goldie, and then we enter. It has to enter the new password. How to try this one? Okay, like this. It asks that the password is shorter than 19 characters. So I retype again this one. Like this, I enter. It says sorry, the password is not matched. I want to retype another again. It because it's shorter than 18 characters. Okay, like this. I3BS. Okay. The password is shorter than 19 characters. So the password, to do this, the password is supposed to at least 19. For a second test, let us modify our requirement. We will open the configuration again with the same command. So we enter this command. After that, to the min length, we add the comment symbol. So we can add hash. After that, to the min length, we're looking for the min length. To the main class, we remove the comment symbol and we put the main class to 3. This means that this is the minimum. It means that the password will have at least 3 types. After we're looking for the Masterclass. Where is it?
Now I am in the account. I will log in as root. So sudo.
Let us looking for Masterclass. After that, we remove the comment symbol and we put it at 5. After that, we save.
And now try to use sudo again to see the SSH.
We save it. Okay. And now let us try a different password again to see. Let us try different passwords for Goldie. So we type sudo pass wd after the username Goldie, and then we enter. It has to enter the new password. How to try this one? Okay, like this. It asks that the password is shorter than 19 characters. So I retype again this one. Like this, I enter. It It says sorry, the password is not matched. I want to retype another again. Because it's shorter than 18 characters. Okay. Like this. 93BX. Okay. The password is shorter than 19 characters.
As you can see, the system now enforces this complexity requirement. This is much better than having a minimum length requirement because it ensures that password has a mix of character types, making them more resistant to brute force or dictionary attacks. After this, we are going to learn how to check if the password has been leaked in data breaches.
To do this, we are going to use SELinux environment. My terminal is already open. Let us start by understanding how the API works. The PWNet password service uses a technique called scale anonymity, which allows you to check if your password has been compromised without actually sending your full password hash. First, let us see how you can query the API directly. I will use CURL to see how many passwords contain the prefix 21BD1 in their SHA-1 hash. So let us type this CURL command to list all the suffixes. After that, let us open this script cat pwnet like this. Here is the script. This script takes as input the password as a command line argument. After that, it computes the SHA-1 hash of the password, and then it extracts the prefix, the first 5 characters, remaining the character suffix of the hash, and then it sends the request to have being PWNet API with the prefix, and at the end it checks if the password are compromised or not. After this, we add the permission of execution to our script. We add the permission, and then we try to enter different password. I want to enter this first one, 2 kilib. I want to enter. Yes, it's verified and say that the candidate password is compromised, so this password is not strong. I want to enter another password again. I want to enter this one, for example. Candidate password is okay for use. This one is okay. I want to enter another. For example, this one. I say candidate password is okay. I want to enter only 1 2 3 4 5. So I type. Oh, sorry. This one. Only a digit is compromised. So this one is to check if the password has been compromised or not. In this video, we explore the various aspects of system administration in security management on Linux system. We learn how to create and manage user accounts, assign sudo privileges, and configure password policies. We also practice using tools like iptables or nftables for firewall management. Each part of this video provides practical experience in securing systems, detecting compromised passwords, and managing user permission effectively. In today's digital age, securing our systems and managing user privileges is not just a technical necessity but a moral imperative that ensures the safety and integrity of our sharing digital environment. Thank you for listening.